Circular permutations are used to calculate the number of unique arrangements of items in a circle. In this video, I will be showing you how to apply circular permutation to calculate the total number of unique circular arrangements of distinct and identical objects. Example 1. In how many ways can 7 friends sit around a circular table? This is an example of a circular arrangement. We apply the circular permutation. In arranging objects in a line, the number of permutations is n factorial. However, in a circular arrangement, the arrangement can be rotated without creating a new permutation. So we fix one person as a reference and arranging the remaining 6. So from the formula, quantity n minus 1 factorial, as I've mentioned, we fix one person as a reference, so we subtract 1 from the n. So our n is 7 minus 1 quantity factorial, and that is 6 factorial, or 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Simplify. There are 720 different ways for the 7 friends to sit around a circular table. Example 2. In how many ways can 7 friends be seated in 5 chairs around a circular table? In this problem, there are only 5 chairs for the 7 friends to be seated around a circular table. The formula to use is the permutation of n objects taken r at a time divided by r. Substitute n is 7 and r is 5. So that is the permutation of 7 objects taken 5 at a time, or we can also say that the permutation of 7 friends taken 5 at a time divided by 5, and that is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 5 is equal to 504 different ways for the 7 friends to be seated in 5 chairs around a circular table. Example 3. How many distinct seating arrangements are possible for 6 children on a merry-go-round with 6 horses if 2 particular children need to sit side by side? To determine the number of distinct seating arrangements for 6 children on a merry-go-round with 6 horses, where 2 specific children must sit together, we consider the circular permutations with constraints. Treat the 2 specific children as a block or a single unit. Arrange the 5 units, y5, the block plus the 4 other children around the merry-go-round. That is 5 minus 1 quantity factorial. Then arrange the 2 children within their block. The 2 particular children can switch places among themselves, so it's 2 factorial equals 5 minus 1 is 4 factorial, and that is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 factorial, which is equal to 48 different ways for the 6 children on a merry-go-round when the 2 specific children must sit together. Example 4. Yuna is designing a necklace with 8 beads of different colors. How many unique arrangements are possible if flipping the necklace produces the same pattern? To solve this problem, we must account for the fact that flipping, which means turning it over, which results in a mirror image rather than just rotating the same sequence. Each arrangement and its mirror image are considered identical. This means the problem involves circular permutation with reflections. Circular permutation without restriction is n-1 quantity factorial. We must divide the total by 2 to account for this symmetry. There are 8 beads, so that is 8 minus 1 quantity factorial divided by 2. Expand, then simplify. Thus, there are 2,520 unique necklace arrangements. Example 5. How many ways can 6 beads, no 2 of which are the same, be arranged on a bracelet without a clasp? This is similar to example 4. When arranging beads in a circular manner without a clasp, rotations and reflections create the same arrangement. We fix one bead as a reference, reducing the arrangements to 5 factorial from 6 minus 1 quantity factorial. Because the bracelet can be flipped, every arrangement has a mirror image, meaning we divide it by 2. Then simplify. Therefore, there are 60 unique arrangements. Example 6. How many ways can 6 beads, no 2 of which are the same, be arranged on a bracelet with a clasp? This involves circular permutation with reflection. That is n factorial over 2. Why n factorial instead of n-1 quantity factorial? When arranging the 6 distinct beads on a bracelet with a clasp, the clasp fixes a position, which removes rotational symmetry but still considers reflections. That's why we arrange all of the objects, the 6 beads, so that is 6 factorial. Because the bracelet can be flipped, every arrangement has a mirror image. We divide it by 2. Expand, then simplify. Therefore, there are 360 distinct ways to arrange 6 distinct beads on a bracelet with a clasp, accounting for reflections but not rotations. Example 7. A jeweler designs a key ring with 10 keys of 3 colors: 4 red, 3 blue, 3 green. How many unique arrangements are possible? To determine the number of unique arrangements of the 10 keys in a circular pattern, consider the repetitive colors. Some keys are identical, so we can use circular permutation with identical objects. That is quantity n-1 factorial over the factorials of the identical objects. In circular arrangements, rotations are identical. One key is in fixed position. Therefore, there are 9 remaining keys to arrange. N is 10, that is 10 minus 1, which is 9 factorial, divided by the factorials of the identical objects. 4 red, that is 4 factorial, times 3 blue, which is 3 factorial, times 3 factorial in 3 green keys. This will be the case 1 without flipping or without reflections. This means that flipping the key rings gives different arrangement. Then expand, cancelling out. That gives us 3 times 4 times 7 times 5. Therefore, there are 420 different arrangements of the 10 keys on the key ring. If we consider that flipping creates the same permutation, that is a mirror image, the circular permutation with identical objects is divided by 2. Why? Because each arrangement can be flipped to create an identical one. So the adjusted formula is quantity n-1 factorial divided by 2 times the factorials of the identical objects. In a circular permutation, one key is in fixed position, so there are 9 remaining keys to arrange from 10 minus 1 factorial, which is 9 factorial, and then divided by 2 times the factorials of the identical objects. 4 factorial for 4 red keys, 3 factorial for 3 blue keys, and 3 factorial for 3 green keys. Expand, then cancel out. That is 3 times 2 times 7 times 5. Therefore, there are 210 different arrangements. If flipping creates the same permutation. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Video about combination is also available in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!